Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cash flow with FreshBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your financial situation. Click on the Invoices tab to review your outstanding invoices. Identify any overdue invoices and prioritize them for follow-up. Utilize the Clients section to check the payment history of each client. Set reminders for clients with overdue payments. Create payment terms that encourage prompt payment, such as discounts for early payment. Use the Expenses feature to track your outflows effectively. Categorize your expenses for better financial clarity. Regularly monitor your expense reports to identify unnecessary costs. Consider automating recurring invoices for regular clients. Set up payment reminders through FreshBooks to stay proactive. Use the Reports section to generate cash flow statements. Analyze these reports to understand your cash flow trends. Identify peak cash flow periods and adjust your invoicing strategy accordingly. If cash flow is tight, consider offering payment plans for clients. Regularly review your billing processes for efficiency. Engage with clients to maintain strong relationships and encourage timely payments. Adjust your budget based on cash flow analysis to ensure financial stability. Seek to implement FreshBooks integration with banking services for streamlined payments. Take advantage of FreshBooks mobile app to manage invoicing on the go. Regularly assess your pricing model to ensure profitability. Stay updated with FreshBooks features and enhancements for optimal use. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your cash flow with FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.